Sa Katara because we are close to Katara.
Kahapon yun
Hindi, hanggang bukas pa
Is
yan.
that a drone show? Oh wait, no.
Katara, Katara.
That's it?
Ayan o. Oh. Yay! We are not planning to attend the fireworks but we saw it here. Wow. Ganda. Kita natin.
Wow.
Wow.
Heart.
Where, will you make video, Isa? Wow, heart! Wow, ang ganda naman. Halika, picture ko kami.
Kung walang nakina parang
Butterfly?
Butterfly. Sa
There's
Katara
more.
yan. Oh, hindi na tayo pumunta ng Katara.
sabi kasi nung kasama ko sa bahay kahapon.
Hindi, araw-araw yan hanggang 3 days. Hanggang bukas.
Ay wow!
Oh, that sounded like a bomb. Bomb. Bomb.
Wow!
Ay puta, gera na to.
Yung hindi nakakakita ng firework gera na. It kasi, di ba? So, talagang may yun lang.
One minute 43 seconds.
More than. O, di ba nagkakape kayo? May fireworks. Okay. Ang pa. Wow. Meron pa yan, Happy Eid.
Oh yeah, it's Eid. I forgot they're making fireworks.
Yeah, every day.
There's more.
It
Trust
should be
me.
the last is Happy.
See? I told you.
Oh, meron pa, meron pa, meron pa. Wow, ang ganda.
My cameraman skills might be bad. Wow.
Oy, ano na yan, hindi yan bomba ha? Oo.
That's it? There's one more, trust me. It should say. There's more. If we were there, we couldn't see it.
Baka nagpunta pa siya sa fireworks. Signa mo, na-miss niya yung fireworks.
What if she wants to the fireworks?
Ang ganda, ang tagal ah.
4 minutes.
I will post that there.
But my cameraman skills though.
Hanggang Eid. Hanggang matapos yung Eid. Hanggang Saturday yata and Friday. Ngayon Friday na. Hanggang bukas.
Wow.
Malayo yung Lucille, kuya. Hindi kita. Boulevard sila eh. Boulevard kasi sa pinaka. Pero dito ang perfect.
Can someone, oh, actually, never mind.
Nasa
5 minutes.
Nasa atin na. Wow.
Already 5 minutes.
First time ni Amsterdam makakita ng fireworks sa Qatar. Asan na yung heart? Wala na. Ang ganda ng heart kanina.
There's more, there's more.
No, ate, no, Amsterdam na. First time mo nakakita ng fireworks sa Qatar.
Meron natin ako.
Saan?
More, I thought there's more, there's more.
Nasa sasakyan nga lang kami.
Ayan po, meron pa.
Eat din ata yun. Pupunta tayo ng family beach.
Oh,
diba? Sabi tayo
Oo.
kasama na nasa
Tayo
sasakyan
yun.
na kami.
Nasakyan naman tayo nun. Layo-layo eh.
Why is it still continuing?
Tayo nagpunti. Nabutan tayo sa sasakyan eh.
Ouch.
Wow, meron pa pala eh. Di ba tapos? Kasi alam ko yung last Happy Eid. May Happy Eid yan.
What if it's by drones only, so it's only there? There's more. Trust me.
Oh, see?
Yung malapit lang dun siguro meron yung mga bababa. Ayan.
Hindi, mataas yung Happy Eid. Mataas yung
Is it by drones or by fireworks?
fireworks. They're doing, you forget before
So I
they're...
have firework letter E and then I have firework D.
Yeah, you can do that. It's just placement.
Meron pa, oh. Oh, ang ganda, oh.
This is the one I like.
That looks like bombs
Like
being
this is
intercepted.
a falling star, like falling star.
Ma, it looks like the bombs being intercepted.
It's nice. Ang haba, first time nilang na ganyan, ang haba, oh.
7 minutes.
7 minutes now.
Yeah. Whoa.
Ito yung pinapala.
Finish? It's like almost 10 minutes.
Almost.
One more.
One more. Ayan na.
It's 8 minutes. I think Tita Jamila went there. Not with us.
Ayun na, nakita mo parang may number. Amoy na dito, no? Paano kaya dun sa Katara? Mausok kaya dun
Oh
sa
yeah, I
Katara?
smell it.
The gunpowder. There's is even in the right, you saw it? Like the small ones?
Yeah.
I think
just
that's the
flames.
one that's saying like Happy Eid.
No, there's one more.
I knew it. I can see like the rocket going up. See? You know, like the firework itself. Like you can see like that small light.
The small thing.
That's the firework itself before being exploded. Oh, I think this is the Happy Eid.
Make circle.
Ow.
Nakala ko, ano ito?
Sa lakas ng ganun eh.
I think that's the logo of the organizer.
May phobia na sa ganung klase.
They're making circle now.
Happy Eid. Where's Happy Eid? 10 minutes of fireworks. that's big. Wow, that's so big.
And worse.
That's very, very big.
Fireworks pa ba yan?
Kasi last day ngayon yata. Kaya parang
Fireworks pa ba yan?
yung maapoy na katara.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, calm down. Spamming it. He's spamming it.
Hoy, taka-video ka. Laki mo.
Natapos na lang ang ano, wala akong Jamila na dumating.
It's not done. It's gonna say happy Eid now.
Padadating si Jamila.
I can hear the small rockets going up and then exploding.
Wait, it's
10 minutes?
10 minutes. That's it? That's it.
na daw napunta yung bonus ng mga taga-Princess. Nasunog na. Pusit na yan.
Oh, that is it.